train going back to Seoul from Kwanju. It's about a 3-hour ride on the bullet train. 재밌어고요. We just finished our wedding day. It was so fun and I loved it. I had a great time. Hey Dad, hello.
Hi Mom.
Hello.
What a great time.
What are you doing, a video?
Fun. Yeah, it was an awful lot of fun. We really enjoyed it. Everyone was so nice. We had a really good time. We're very proud of our son and his new wife.
What do you got, Mom? Nothing?
Oh, well, if you put me on the spot, yes. It was a wonderful day, and we had wonderful time, and everyone was so kind and generous and friendly, and it was wonderful.
And we send our love to everyone back home. Love you guys.
We do.
Yes,
Love you.
guys.
Gideon. Beautiful bride. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.